Uruguay, Wednesday, October 23, 2024.
Bueno, en día de lluvias venga también por Salón Charrúa porque tenemos muelle propio, sí señores.
Heavy rains that fell on Wednesday accompanied by strong winds have hit the city of Paysandu, causing roofs to explode, trees and poles to fall, and several streets to be flooded. The wind and rain in a short period of time caused 2 roofs to collapse. Fermín Farinha, Secretary General of the Municipality of Paysandu, said that his department had been warned since Monday about the weather conditions, and the action protocol had been adjusted. There were 17 complaints of partial or complete tree collapse, 7 complaints of flooded homes, and 4 complaints of overflowing septic tanks. Firefighters, police and city hall crews responded quickly and worked to contain the incidents.
Con la volqueta corredora nadadora y muelle propio en la propia esquina de Salón Charrúa, la esquina de la